supposed to give that to me? It's a bill?
No.
For Mommy being...
No.
Yeah.
I did something.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll go put it
I
inside.
made something for Haley.
Yeah. Oh, watch Kitty doesn't. Hey!
Hey!
Choo! Choo! Achoo!
Put these up here.
Ooh! Stop. Hey! Are you sure you want to give it to me now, or do you want to wait?
You can get it.
Okay. Okay, let's go out.
I'll give it to you in a minute, okay?
Okay.
Only 3 days until school.
You mean until school is done? Or not 3 days.
Okay.
You know what you doing.
Daddy.
Okay.
You can write anything in here.
Yeah. I can write anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't write anything.